Let's go back to Revit. Now, also you can see here already we have the 4 walls present, and now we need to create a roof which is in the shape of like this particular curve. So to create this, what I will do is the first step is we need to create we need to sketch the section of the roof. So now I want to create this roof from the right side. So I'll create a sketch here, and then we can extrude it all the way up to the length of the house. So for this, let's go to Architecture tab, click on the drop down and select Roof by Extrusion. Now it will ask you to select the plane in which you want to sketch the section of the extrusion. So pick a plane, click OK. Now I want to sketch it from the right side, so here you can select any face on the right side. So select this face and then click OK. Next, go to the right side view. Now from the draw option you can use the spline option, and let's start to create a random sketch. So 1, 2 and then 3. Press escape to come out of the command. I can select the sketch and use this control vertex of the spline to adjust the roof. So it will be something like this. All right, and then something like this. Next, let me bring it a little bit down and then a bit like this. All right, so I feel this sketch is perfect. Now next, let's go to 3D view, and then you can see this is where we have created our section. Next, once the section is done, click on finish, and here you can see the roof by extrusion has already been added. To change the thickness, we can select the roof, and then let's go to, let's suppose, generic 125 millimeter, and then done. Next, if you would like to extend it, you can select the roof by extrusion option, and using the grip handles you can extend it towards the out. Next, you want to attach this walls to this roof by extrusion, so you can go to the right side view, select all the walls, and then use attach top base, and then select the roof. Go to 3D view, and here you can see your roof by extrusion has been created. So next, let's see how we can create this kind of a roof and then attach it to our main roof using roof by extrusion. So for this, let's follow these steps. So let me delete this for a while. Now what I will do is, first of all, I'm going to, using the roof by footprint, I'm going to create this type of roof. So let's go to level number 2 and then select roof by footprint. So I need to have the slope only in 2 sides, so slope on one side and slope on the second side, and then on the other 2 sides it will be no slope. Once done, click finish, go to 3D view, and then let's select it and change it to 125 mm, and I want to change its height a bit, so approximately I'll just increase it a bit here. And next, let's attach these walls to the roof. So attach top base, select the roof. Now our main roof is created. Now what I want is, I want to create this secondary roof, and then I would like to join it to this main roof like this. So for this, I will use again roof by extrusion option. So let me go to roof by extrusion, then pick a plane, and this time I would like to sketch it from this front view. So I will select the plane somewhere here. So select it, click OK, go to the front view, and then let's draw the sketch. So let's suppose something, it should be like this, and then on the other side. So for this, what I will do, I will use mirror. So let's go to mirror using draw axis option, click on the first point as the mirror line, and this is as the second point as the mirror line. So now you can see our sketch is ready. Now next, what we want, let's just click on finish. Now what you will notice is, okay, let me change its thickness, so to 125 again. Now one thing you will notice here is, you see it's going directly inside. So if I change the visual style here, so it doesn't look, it looks from the outside it looks proper, but if you go to it and see it from the down, you see it's going something like this inside. So for this, what we need to do is we need to properly join this second roof to the main roof. So for that, what we'll do is, let me go and change it to shaded, or let's suppose consistent will be fine. Okay, shaded is okay. Select it, and then let me bring this roof a bit outside. And next, to join our second roof to the main roof, you can go to the modify option, and then from the geometry option, select this option called join or unjoin roof. Now don't confuse between join unjoin roof and join geometry. So for this case, we need to use join unjoin roof. So select join unjoin roof, and then you can see here on the status bar, select an edge at the end of the roof that you wish to join or unjoin. So I can select the edge here, and then select the face on the another roof or the wall to which you want to assign. So I select the main roof, and here you can see our second roof is properly attached to the main roof. So this is how we can use roof by extrusion to create more complicated shapes. Thank you very much.